Hey friends, if you wish to turn on all of Narrator on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Narrator in the Windows search bar and click on this option to open the Narrator window.
Close button. Heading level 1. What's new in Narrator? Unlock richer image descriptions. Scan. Narrator window heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features.
This is how you can open
Narrator is a
Narrator.
screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use that information to navigate your device. To start or stop Narrator, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus Enter. Explore the sections below to get started. Quick Start button. Learn the basics of Narrator. Alt Q. Exiting Narrator.
So this is how we exited Narrator. I didn't press the exit button, though you must have seen the exit button. But I pressed Control plus Windows plus Enter. And that's how you can open Narrator and that's how you can close Narrator.
Word window. Document. Exiting Narrator.
Right? Now once I've opened Narrator, anytime that I wish to use Narrator, I'll press Control plus Windows plus Enter, and to exit it, I'll press Control plus Windows plus Enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.